Hi there, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I want to show you what I made with a 6x8 paper pad. I use the Simple Stories Simple Vintage C's paper pad to make this. I also had some ephemera. I think it was the bits and pieces. I forget which one, but I'll link it in the description box below. And I also used the frames, the chipboard frames that are available to go with the collection. I don't always get ephemera to match the collection, but when I do, my goodness, I have so much fun with it. If it's available, I try to get it. This is a relatively new collection that came out, and this is perfect for your summer vacation photos. So what I made is an 8.5 by 6.5 mini album. I thought it would be the perfect size to use these 6x8 papers, and to make everything even gel better, I double matted a lot of the pages, and I certainly did the cover. This was one of the cut aparts, and this is meant to actually come out, and you put a photo in here. This is raised up, it's dimensional, but just in the meantime, until you get a photo in there, that will work. This is a great cover. I mean, this is a great sheet for the cover page. It had this lighthouse on it. It actually started here. I cut one out of another leftover piece and moved it up a little. There was already this layering on the, it's crooked, on the frame, and I just added this whale of a time on top of it and used some brads just to add a little more dimension. So let me take you inside and show you this fabulous mini album. So inside I've got a simple pocket in the front cover, and I've included photo mats. Now, the 8x6 paper is fabulous if you take 4x6 photos, because you're going to have enough room to put your photos. I took one of the pieces of ephemera and just adhered it there a little bit, but you still can put your photo in the main part of that. And I did back it with some red paper. So there's that. And there were a lot of cut aparts that I just have included in, so you can use them to either put 3x4 photos on or use it to journal on the back. And then there was a tag that I just put right back there. So here is another one of those chipboard frames. Again, it already has the layering done for you. I've included, I have to change that, but you could put a photo on here, and then that can go back into there, and either adhere a photo in there permanently or put it on here and put another photo on back. Now this has a magnet hidden below. You could put another photo right there, more layering done, and then this will open here so you can put a couple of small photos. If you don't have a small, like an Instax camera or anything, you know what you do? You just go download a collage app. I use Pic Collage, I think. Just a collaging app, and you can put 2 photos on one 4x6 print and just cut it yourself. This is open, so you could put your photo there, and you're still going to have a lot of the photo showing, even though you've got some of this covering it. And same with the bottom photo. The whale is just adhered right there in the center, but your photo can still go down there. And you'll usually have clouds or something like that. If you have a small photo with the, excuse me, the subject right on the right-hand side, that would be perfect for that. And then again, good room here for a 4x6 photo, or you can cut down a couple of them and put them across. It's up to you. So there is that page. And now this is a pocket page mini album. So you're going to find the hidden photo mats, let me move that out of the way, in between the pages, and that gives you more room for a couple of small photos or one large photo. Most people take 4x6 photos, so there is ample room for those. So here, the paper had this doily with some more elements on top of it. I did cut out this compass and raised it up with a dimensional adhesive, and I fussy cut around this doily so you can use that as a tuck spot. So on this page, this is great to put your 4x6 photo on. So that goes in there. And then these are cut aparts. Again, this is perfect for 3x4 photos or journaling, or just leave them in there because they're adorable. This has a just a side loading pocket. So again, here is the photo mat for a 4x6 photo. It is open on the side so you can put your photo right in there, or you get a couple of photo mats or journaling cards, whatever. And then there's a couple of layered elements here, and I used a little bit of blue and white baker's twine just to add a little extra texture to that. And then here is the hidden photo mat. This is a very simple page. You just have room here to put your photo. So you'll have the lighthouse with the seaweed and the crab showing on the side, but that would be a great family photo. So there is that. And then here is more of the chipboard frame, and there are two pieces you could put your picture on and just slide it into there. Now this will open up, and you've got room to put your photo. It's a little smaller than 4x6, I think. Let me see. No, it's 4x6 exactly. So you can put your photo right in there, and that stays down with a magnet. There's a little tab here to open it. There's your hidden photo page. And it's got a tab on it, so that way you don't forget. So you know that is something to pull out. So this page has room for a 4x6 photo on there. There's the photo mat. And then there's just a tag hidden there, just a grouping of some of the different elements. Now this will open that way to give you room to put your photo here. So you could put a photo on this page and one there as well. So if you had one to go that way, that would be perfect. Or just a small photo there, or one that went sideways. And there, more room for photos. So here's again a simple pocket page. Room to put your 4x6 photo there, and this is a 4x4 place to put a picture and or journal. Isn't this beautiful? This already had the layering, but that makes an adorable bottom of a pocket. So here is a great spot to put some smaller pictures, and it's got this sort of bookmark kind of thing, so you could use it as a bookmark if you want to just put your pictures there, or put the pictures on top of here. Get in, and it will slide in and out, making it interactive. This is held down with a magnet, so that'll open, giving you room to journal. I need to put something on there. So giving you room to journal and room here for a photograph. And there is your journaling. So the last page has a 3x4 card that will open. So again, giving you room to put a little picture on, or just leave it alone, or journal. If you want to journal in between the waves, that would be fun. Beautiful spot for a photo of everybody in front of the beach house or on the boat or something like that. And then this is where you put all the extra things that you had from vacation, menus, business cards, tickets, or whatever. So there's room to put lots of extra photos as well in there. And this is room for a photo. It's open on the bottom, so you could put a picture there. And here is another card. And you actually could put a photo here if you wanted to, and even there. And this has the two circle closures, just again to add some interactiveness to the book. And it makes it fun to go through, as well as a great place to store your photos. Here's the back page, very simply. And then there is the spine. Take me to the sea, please. So again, this goes in here. And there you go. That is a 6.5 by 8.5 mini album using the Simple Stories Simple Vintage C collection in 6 by 8. I also got a 12 by 12 paper pad, which I can't wait to do something with as well. So if you're interested in this, it will be in the Etsy shop, and you can purchase it if it's still available. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.